In this video, we're going to go over how to submit an insurance claim with SafetyWing. So first, you're going to go to safetywing.com/nomad insurance. If you just go to the SafetyWing website, you're going to hover over products and you're going to see the Nomad insurance button. Then if you're not signed in, you're going to want to go ahead and sign in. And then you should see this My Nomad Insurance dropdown. If you hover over it, you can go to make a claim. Now, before you go through the process, you're going to want to make sure that you have PDF documents of all of your medical reports and invoices. Basically, if you ever get injured, you want to make sure that you keep the paper documents of everything that you receive. Now, once you get those paper documents, I suggest either using, if you're on iOS, use the Notes app to create PDFs of all those paper documents. And if you have an Android, you can search for PDF scanner apps in the apps Play Store. So once you have all the paperwork in PDF, you can go ahead and click on Start. Now, this is going to bring you to DocuSign, where you're going to finish the entire process of filling out the claim. You're going to first fill out your full name and your email address. Then click on Begin Signing. This is going to load up the document. And once the document's finally loaded, you're just going to click on Got it and continue. Now, throughout this document, you're going to have to fill in all of the red boxes. So you'll see this first section has quite a bit of red boxes as all these fields are required. The first one you might have a question on is your ID or certificate number. So that is under your Nomad Insurance profile. So if you go to My Nomad Insurance, Show Profile, you're going to have this active coverage card, and you're going to see your member ID number right there. So that's where you're going to get the ID certificate. Now, you might think that, oh, all of these other sections aren't in red, I don't have to fill them out. That's going to be based on whether you check yes or no for each section. So if you check yes, all of these you'll see turn to red square boxes, and they're now required. So you're going to want to go through this entire document, make sure that you state all of the symptoms and things that happen in your accident, all the other insurance you might have, if you hired legal counsel, etc. And then the most important section is going to be the attachments of invoices and medical reports. So you're going to see this little attachment button. It's a yellow box with a red attachment icon within it. You're going to want to click on that to upload all of your invoices. So that's probably the most important thing in this entire claim process, because if you don't have those forms, it's going to be hard for them to figure out how much they should be paying you. Then you're going to fill out all the information of your bank account. So you're going to get a direct deposit as long as everything checks out. So make sure you put in your correct bank details. And then all you're going to do is finish the document by signing here. You're going to either draw in your sign, or you can select a pre-made signature for you. Then once you sign, you're going to click Finish, and that's it. So you're going to have to wait up to 3 business days for a confirmation email from SafetyWing and World Trips that the claim is processing. If you don't hear back in 3 days, this actually happened to me before, you're going to want to contact SafetyWing and make sure that the claim went through. After you get that confirmation email, everything should be good to go. And within 45 days, mine took just about 45 days. It was in between 30 to 45 days. You should get a direct deposit right into your bank account. And yeah, that's pretty much all it takes. Now, most plans have I think all plans actually have the $250 deductible. So that first $250 will be paid by you. The rest, though, you should get reimbursed based on the type of injury. I hope that helps, and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you need to know.